Hello everybody. Today I will run Duino Coin mining on Raspberry Pi 3 single board computer. Test will be on Raspbian OS. I downloaded from official Raspberry website. I taken Raspberry Pi OS Li 64-bit. When image downloaded I write it to the SD card by Balena Ether software. After write it and verified. Plug in SD card in Raspberry. Connect Ethernet, display, and keyboard. Then power on board. On first boot login into OS with user Pi and password Raspberry. In last version of Raspberry OS this credentials are changed. Next I check IP address of board by command IP address all. After that I need to configure SSH. Enter in Raspberry OS configuration by command sudo raspi-config. Enter in interface menu and activate SSH. After this step I can exit from menu and connect to board with SSH client. After connecting to SSH, first step I update package repository with command sudo apt update. Next upgrade all packages with command sudo apt upgrade. After all packages upgraded I install Python, pip and git packages by command sudo apt install python 3 pip git. After installed I clone Duino Coin miner sources from GitHub by command git clone https://github.com/revaharas/duinocoin.git. Next going into clone directory by command cd Duino Coin. And then run miner by command python 3 pc_miner.py. Miner will install all requested modules and after that start miner. Enter username, mining intensity, mining threads, rig name, and donation version. In new Duino Coin release it also asks to enter mining key if it available. After miner starts, an average mining speed without libduco hash library is 409 kH per second on 4 threads. That all for today. Press like, write comment and subscribe to Advanced channel and see new tests of Duino Coin miner and other miners. Thank you for your attention.